Hi guys, and welcome back over to my channel. Today I'll be showing you how I cut my lawn for the first time. I'll be using a Troy-Bilt mower, a weed whacker, and a leaf blower. So to start, I pull the lever from the lowest level to the highest, just like that. Then I went ahead and pressed down on the brake. The fun part was starting it, and then I put it in forward. Right here I had a hiccup, so it wasn't cutting the grass, so then I had to lower the lever. Yes, it was cutting the grass. I didn't know of any specific way to cut the grass, so I just was going in circles to try to get the job done faster. It was not difficult, it was quite easy. I would say for safety reasons, you could wear a pants, a long sleeve hat, glasses or something to shade your face from the sun and any debris that may come from cutting the grass. Oh, and I also had boots on. Basically, I was just looking for all the spots that I missed. I wanted it to be perfect for my first time. I even got fancy learning how to reverse. I'm trying to get the edges done properly. I don't think they were all gone. I think it's safe to say that anyone with understanding how to operate any type of machine can use this. In a teenager, man, woman, it doesn't matter. It wasn't really difficult. Here I'm trying to be extra perfect. I just wanted it to look good for my first time. So in order to stop, you have to put it in neutral, then put it back to the highest level. I was feeling proud. I had to look back to make sure that I had every grass cut. Now it's time for the edges. So I use the Ryobi weed whacker. You know, you just install the batteries. With this machine, you have to be extremely careful, especially for your face. I would suggest a face shield. I do have on a mask. It wasn't really bad, but it's not my favorite to do. I was a bit scared. And the last thing I did was to use the blower to clean up. This was the most easiest part of them all. You basically just have to press down on the control buttons and get everything heaped, gathered into one. It wasn't really hard. I think even a child could do this part. Don't forget to subscribe, comment, like, share this video. I would really appreciate it. At this point, I was really thirsty, but I was very proud at the job that I did. Thanks for watching, guys, and stay tuned for more content. Have a great day. Bye.